Hey, one of my lashes fell off, so I'm doing the invisible part, which visible crochet, which you probably already know, but I'm gonna show you for those of you who really don't know how it works. You put your hand in the direction of I don't know, this is what I want my part to be. I've done this part, I'm working on the second part now. So you don't put your hand like this. If you want to open the part and want it to go that way, you put your hand from here. So yeah, and you make sure everything goes in, otherwise it's not going to be a protective style anymore. It's just going to be a destructive style where this needle keeps going through your cornrows and destroying your hair, especially if you have relaxed hair. Then you bring it out gently. Then you take only one. I think that's basically it. You don't decide the front or the back or anything, just take any one of them. Then oops, and then la. I don't know if my camera is focusing, but that's it. I'm still not done. Okay, so still working on it, guys. I'll be back. Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We did stuff on Wednesday, and on Thursday, you guys seen it? I don't know what it looks like, but I hope you're enjoying it. So I have made provisions for that here, and when I'm tired of the left, I get to use the one I made on the right, and that's it, on the right. And when I'm tired of that, I also made provisions for the center.
Expectations make me hope. Are you with me, Lord? I know